Peacekeepers work in some of the most difficult environments around the world to protect the vulnerable, support international peace and security. They leave behind their families, loved ones to answer to the call of duty. Fijian personnel in the UN peacekeeping has gained outstanding achievement over the year and has been a focus of national pride and international recognition. This week on Nation's Business, we will bring to you the highlights of the 40th anniversary celebration on Fiji's participation in global peacekeeping that was held around the country. In this first segment, we take you to Labasa. The Republic of Fiji Military Forces, ex-servicemen, Fiji Police Force, Fiji Corrections Service, National Fire Authority and members of the public marched through Labasa town to kickstart the celebrations. Their sacrifice and strong work ethic is a motivation to the younger generation to consider a career with the Republic of Fiji Military Forces after secondary education. The celebration in the north was about bringing the past into the present and future. Labasa town was at a standstill during this auspicious occasion. The former president of Fiji, His Excellency Ratu Epeli Nailatikau, was part of the celebrations in the north.
Following the march is our soldiers from the Republic of the Fiji Military Forces.
The High Chief of Maduata, Lieutenant Colonel Ratu William Mekatunivere, officiated as chief guest at the celebration.
On behalf of the Ministry of Defense, we extend a very warm welcome to our chief guest.
Officers on parade! Officers, salute!
It is indeed a privilege and an honor to join you today as we celebrate the 40th anniversary of Fiji's participation in peacekeeping missions abroad. Today is a day for celebration, a day of remembrance and reflection of the selfless sacrifice our troops made for the preservation of global peace. The journey for us began 40 years ago as a nation just gaining independence and looking for a way to contribute to nation building and effectively participate in global affairs. We pay tribute to our leaders at the time for their vision to involve Fiji for a greater good in the pursuance of global peace, and peacekeeping was the answer to our leaders' intention. Not only it did lift Fiji's footprint around the globe, it also contributed to the very essence of our participation, which is nation development and socio-economic progress.
The 40th anniversary of peacekeeping duties also honored the 60 lives who was lost during their service.
They will never be replaced in our families. We can replace them with our memories of what they have done for our nation, for our Vanua, for our family.
Today, we shall reflect on the sons of Fiji who paid the ultimate sacrifice for global peace, and we should never forget their sacrifice and contribution to the region. Many have suffered personal hardship while being deployed in peacekeeping missions, and yet they stayed on course, the mandate which they were called upon to uphold. This we shall also remember. Their exemplary service has directly contributed to our reputation as exceptional peacekeepers. From the initial development in 1978, currently Fiji maintains 8 active missions abroad, apart from the military. This is inclusive of missions manned by the police and correction personnel. The vision by our leaders that peacekeeping could not contribute significantly to nation building has materialized for individual families and communities. We take this opportunity to remember those that sacrificed their lives for the greater good and did not live to see get their children the fruits of their labor. To their widows, children, families, and Vanua, we say, we salute the ultimate sacrifice by your husbands, fathers, and sons. And for the young generation, lest we forget, for tomorrow they gave it today.
Aur na matai walu ina tinka diwa 5 ka diwa au regular force na tinka diwa na sangabulu sa increase taki na matai walu sa vale butaki sa armai randa na la ko mai malea au ngai dura ni ke mamile diwa sangabulu ko no le ni matai walu na ngona or to na instructor mai malea o ke mamina ngai dura ni me ke vale butaka na matai walu bi na ngona ngo sa tiko sa raida ke na ka era rawata tinka $2 mai na $2 tolu $1 na allowance na ngau na go persa tau roira persa mai boli vale era boli motoka ke mami ngona teguna ke mami ngase ya ke mami wa bina na kaka sa ke mami sarai dan saya do satu mo na sautu ibiti na kalungata abita ko makike mlokin mai na basa ngula mbake u embaki chini gina ibita bata mate balta ru sa ngulu kali mara mate mai ya china mbaki nungu da ka ine na lo ko mai o lesu lo ko mai china mbaki le mate do no ngone o robo ko to lo wana bata e to le ka bangan don checkpoint lo wana kina mate sanda bumbulu ita ko tina nondara do na ka bina ka kavia una kena dhaka na songongo. Levu na ka kimami na numu kimami de dhaka na matantu na numi kimami kina okoya. Numu kimami na matantu na pasa bulamba kimami baita bikinekia. E dhaka bakine ndu na songo wango. De ndu na kai warau taka, de ndu na kai na numi kimami tuki. Koya do kina na songo.
Ndu na tuna ya luni nguni biala ko di sa rong na kadi ni sanding tagi masala ko gaitu talaga na yalo yun numero 2 na matuwa di na ni sa tunungon pabibin sa tunungon on lbego wan tangane ronela sara tumbi tumai sama lako Indonesia ko nende balete ni luken da pono ya dudu be doing karami tololom nagayang bagindu yo ira lebe woni batalyon so pula banga pula tolo relief la ona di bonwa pa pidi balle wona matantu usually tundo na una usually ndona na songo me maruta kina nabi ka sara uti kimia ta kabotili we nabi ngarabi pena tokalo lo make burumura pa pidi ta balik na kena na no mikima me ndona una me kimi sotal kina babu ngole bunga una kimi singa tun sota ndau sota ngai na uni ragi na mbose se nda sota bango ndona ngoni perin kangaran sota.
Emotions were high and the atmosphere grew tensed as a team of RFMF soldiers enacted a scene on how soldiers carried out their duties.
Sa lako maringo ko na suicide bomber. Na suicide bomber sa may sanga ko mengole ila sana karau. Oh maraba. Iba. Sa tigo. Apreno. Iba. Su bal. La mafi na siara. Na moto kango tigo kila na nonda italata. Na italata. Saya juga menggiri. Saya sedang itu di belakang tondo. Rasa bila kandidat ini, orang nak kena kobo lagi tataro, nama toka me tapu ni mai mate, lalu mani checkpoint ni biti. Ia orang sendiri.
This particular act paid tribute to the loss of 4 Fijian soldiers.